Constable Maxwell, one of the gold staffs who will usher coronation guests to their abbey seats. The special army uniforms for the coronation have been approved by the King. These are officers and NCOs who have been inspected at Buckingham Palace. The new uniforms then pass the scrutiny of a couple of khaki-clad Australians. The whole Australian coronation contingent holds a march through London. A smarter body of men